Hi guys, it's Mary McIntyre. I really wanted to have a go at making one of the Nebula potion bottles that I keep seeing online. So being an astronomer, obviously this is something that appeals to me, so I thought I'd record the process of me making my first one. Then you can find out whether it works or not and whether you want to have a go yourself. If that sounds like something you're interested in, keep watching. So I'm in the middle of making my potion bottles and I wanted to just deviate a little bit and have a go at making, I've seen them called a Nebula potion bottle. So you basically use cotton wool, food colouring and glitter in a glass jar, and in theory it ends up looking a bit like a nebula. And given my day job, that is definitely something that I would love to have a go at. So I've mixed food colouring gel, I've got blue and I've got some black which I've mixed with a bit of blue as well. And I think the idea is that you have to kind of pull the cotton wool apart and pop it down and then kind of add layers of water and food colouring. So I'm just going to pour a bit of water in first. I think it takes a lot of cotton wool, you've got to kind of stamp it down a little bit. These are the only colours I have in food colouring that are even remotely nebula, because when I buy food colouring it tends to be for Halloween type projects, so I'm not really sure I have anything else that would work with that. So the idea isn't that it's a uniform colour, you're supposed to be kind of adding different layers here. So I've never done this, I'm just winging it. I thought I'd film it so that you can see if it works, then you'll know how to do it too. Last bit of water going in, and that is full. I think until I kind of do something interesting with the top, it just looks like a jar of cotton wool right now. But it is interesting, you can kind of see the whole nebula vibe. I will find something nice to put on the top. I might just squish my stick down there. Good to have bits of white cotton wool showing, and I think at the top I've probably put too much food colouring in. But yeah, I think that looks how it's supposed to. I'll find some nice fabric for the top of it and tie it around so it looks a little bit less like an empty Nutella jar full of cotton wool, which is essentially all that is. Okay, sorry, the light is really bad here, but I'll bring you in to have a look properly in a second. I've just cut a circle of black fabric. It's just a piece of poly cotton, very thin fabric, but it covers up that white plastic lid. I put a piece of elastic around to hold that in place, and on the front I'm going to put this blue ribbon just tied in a bow. I never throw anything away. These little guys are from a Christmas cracker. Damn hard work of that, didn't I? I'll bring you in for a close-up. So here's the finished result. I think it looks really cool. I think I probably used a bit too much food colouring, but I know for next time. I think this would look amazing in pretty much any colour, to be honest, and you can throw in glitter and stars or anything really that just adds to the whole nebula vibe. Looks really cool next to my little moonlight. So I hope you found this useful, and let me know in the comments if you've made this or if you're going to have a go at making it yourself. See you in my next video.